Hi, I'm Jessica. Welcome to the shop. Today I'm going to show you 3 ways you can punch holes in your metal to prepare it for enameling. This is normally the very first step I take, so let's get to the first one. This is the primary method I use for punching holes in the metal. I find this one to be the quickest and easiest. It's just a little handheld punch, and the size hole it punches is just right for most jump rings. So I have just a thin copper blank here, and I just lined it up and I look before I press it through and make sure that it is centered where I want it. And then just with a bit of hand pressure, I can give it a squeeze and it will go right through, and then you just wiggle it off. And then it leaves this light burr on the back that you can sand with some sandpaper. This is the next method I use for punching. It is a heavy-duty shop type punch. I use a clamp to clamp it onto a table because otherwise it'll definitely wiggle around. The dies here you can interchange with some different sizes, and I tend to use this on some real thick copper pendants. There's no way the hand punch was going to get through this, so similar type process. You find the center of your piece, and then you press down, and you can also use a bar on this if you need a little extra leverage, and until it goes through. Then you pull it up and it's punched a hole through. This is the third method I will use sometimes. A drill press is really great for if you have a heavy piece. Again, not so good for the lighter pieces, but a wood block underneath it is definitely important for support. And again, I only use this occasionally if needed, but it is available as an option as well. So I hope you found those quick tips handy. There will be more information on my channel if you are interested in enameling. In addition, I am in the process of writing several enameling ebooks, and those will be available for download soon. You can check the video description, and I will have those down there once they're available for download. Thank you for watching the video. I'll catch you on the next one.